guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a baby hair tutorial. So I will show you guys how I lay my edges, and if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so it's Monday and I did this wash and go on Friday. No, I did it on Saturday morning. So this is like a day 3 wash and go hair. So I'm going to just pull this hair back off of my face. Before I zoom you guys in, I want to show you what products I'll be using today. So I do have a spray bottle. You don't necessarily have to have this, but you just want to be able to wet your brush. And then I do have a edge brush, which has the brush on one end and the comb on the other. And then the products we'll be using today is the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink. This is their flaxseed elongating curling gel. This gel is used just to reinforce our main product, which is the Aunt Jackie's Tame My Edges Soothing Gel. And this edge control is like my best friend. I use it a lot. So yeah, we're just gonna jump straight into this video. Guys, so hopefully you can see my edges. I do have a part right here. So I'll be smoothing these edges down this way and then these edges to this side. And I'm just gonna start off by wetting my brush, and I'm wetting my brush instead of wetting my edges because I don't want to frizz up the rest of my hair. So I'm just adding that water to get the little curls going. And I do have a little bit of product buildup, but y'all just ignore that. And then I'm gonna take the brush, and tapping it into the product, and then I'm just gonna swoop all my hair in one direction just to coat each hair with the product. And then to make sure, we're gonna use our comb and comb it in. And so right there your edges are like sleeked down. Like you can see how flat it is. And so then I like to, do my swoops. So I'll come in and take my comb, the comb side, and I'll just like swoop it out and bring it back. And that creates that like part right there. And then you want to like bring it down and swoop it back and make sure you're getting all that hair and swoop it back. So it's pretty much that simple. And then I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of gel, just a little bit. I'm gonna take it on my finger and put right on top of that. You don't want to put too much because you don't want to have your edges looking cakey, but you do want them to lay and last all day. So next you want to take a scarf and just wrap that around your edges to make them lay flat. You want to leave your scarf on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been about 10 minutes and I'm just going to take this off. And our edges are laid, honey. Our edges are laid. And even when you wear a wash and go, you always want to do all your baby hairs. You don't want to just do this side because you never know if you're going to get hot, wherever you are, and you need to like pull it up into a little pony or something, and your edges have to be laid everywhere. So those are just my tips, you know what I'm saying? But yes, I love it. So again, all of these products, all these Aunt Jackie's products are available at Walmart. This is the Tame My Edges Smoothing Gel, and then the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. So both of these products together, you use these and your edges will be laid and slayed like mine. Again, all of those products are available at Walmart. If you guys are interested in my winter wash and go routine, please let me know in the comment section below. I love you guys so much, and never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tiffle. Bye guys.